I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to add a credit card to your Affirm account for loans, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once you're in the app, find the payment methods section in your account settings. This is where you can manage your payment options. Step 3. Select Add a credit card. Click on the Add a credit card button. You will be prompted to enter your credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Step 4. Enter your card information. Fill in the required fields with your credit card details. Double check for any typos, as an incorrect number can lead to payment issues. Step 5. Save your changes. After entering your information, hit the Save button to finalize adding your credit card. You should see a confirmation message once it's successfully added. If you encounter any issues, make sure your card is not expired and that you have a stable internet connection. Happy shopping with Affirm.